I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Guys, look what Leslie gave me. Isn't this perfect? I'm going to be sitting out here. The sun's always right over there at the end of the day. And this has a little thing that I can put my feet up on like that. So I'll be able to pull it out. Hang on, I'll let you see. Okay, so this is what I get to do now. Sun is right there. And look. Yeah. I get to pet the puppies. Hey, where you at, boy? Anyway, perfect. This is perfect. Okay. Bye. I'm not going. If you saw yesterday's video, well, today's video, because it's still the same day, I said, oh yeah, I'm going to go to Sam's and I'm going to buy some 93% ground beef. That's what I said, ain't it, buddy? Well, I got home and I was fiddling around. I'm like, where in the world would I put it? This is 80-20 ground beef. See all that? Yeah, 1, 2, forget that. We have 26 80-20s and then 22 steaks. So, yeah, I won't be going to Sam's. But that's all right. That's all right. I just was in here looking at something and yep. So there you go. No, we will definitely not be going to Sam's this week. Also, because I eat one package for 2 meals, or so one package. So I really have enough food for 48 days. So I guess I shouldn't go to Sam's for any meat for a little while. Now I will go and buy the meat sticks. But okay. All right, never mind. Well, it's Thursday and we do try to check our weight on Thursday, so no excuses. I was about to say, I went out to eat the other night. No excuses. Let's just get on the scale. Okay, 175.3. So we're up a pound from last week. All right. Like I said, this is a marathon, not a sprint. I got to show you something funny. I was all done going to the bathroom, all cleaned up, and after I weighed, I was like, and talked to y'all, I was like, oh, I think I need to use the bathroom. Well, then I was like, I got to check. And look. How hilarious. I lost 0.3 pounds because I went back on the bathroom. Hey, wait a minute. Get back on there. There you go. Isn't that kind of funny? It's funny. Life's funny. Tell me I'm not the only one that likes to, after I poop, but first off, way after I poop, but if I have to poop a second time, I'll hop right on that scale like nobody's business. Good morning. Figured I'd let you see me face to face. Hi, how you doing? Today's Thursday. No pool today. We have a bye week. So, a BYE week. As in, goodbye, you don't play. Anyway, so yeah. So, so with no pool tonight. I'm wearing my Get Used to Different shirt from the Chosen. So anyway, it's supposed to be like in the upper 80s today. Who's that truck out there? Am I dreaming? Did I see a truck? Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's the neighbor. Anyway, all right, well, I'm going to work and I'll see you later. Bye. Hi guys, we're having a picnic outside. I think the ground is a little bit wet, but I got my blankie. It's so funny. This is actually like a thermal blanket, But I like that it's the buffalo checkered. And so that second layer, maybe that'll keep my butt from getting wet. So how you doing? Y'all doing okay? I'm doing okay. Feels good to be out in the sunshine. I enjoyed it yesterday. I should totally just lay back and take a nap. Like set an alarm on my phone and take a nap. But alas, I won't. I wonder if somebody would even say anything. Like I wonder if my coworkers or somebody would come out to smoke, because the smoke think table's over there. I wonder if anybody would come out to smoke and be like, girl, what are you doing? I'd be like, it's me. You know I ain't doing something normal. So what we have 8 ounces of our ground beef, and I put a piece of cheese on it. I did that last night. So that's my food. So how are you doing? Y'all doing okay? I'm doing pretty good. I think it's funny. I had that extra movement this morning. And I dropped 0.3 pounds. Hey, I'll take a win as a win, ain't it? Yeah, I can tell my blanket's getting damp. That's all right. People just think I wee-weed on myself. Do I have anything deep to tell you? Anything? I do have something after I take another bite. The first time on my way down, I was more focused on perfection. I was focusing on hurry up, lose the weight. Because when I get to my goal weight, everything is going to be perfect. I'm going to magically know how to eat. I'm going to magically just look better. I'm going to not have any issues with my weight. I'm not going to have any cravings. I'm going to just be like somebody who's never been obese before. I'm going to be able to just eat the things and do the things. And so I wanted to hurry. Reach it. And I did. I got there. I mean, it took 3.5 years, but I'm okay with that. Still 180 pounds in 3.5 years. Well, less than that now, but at that time it was 180 pounds because I got to 158. Anyway, that's why this time I'm taking a different approach. This time it's like, you know what? Just live a little bit. Like I said, on Sunday I had veggies. And then Tuesday when I went out to eat, I had a piece of bread. And so it's kind of like, those little once in a while things ain't gonna kill me. Is it gonna slow down my progress? Yes, it will slow down my progress. But is that okay? Yeah, that's okay. It's okay to have a slower progress than last time. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to be a gentle, kind, graceful approach. So wherever you are, like I said, I'm on week 20 something. I don't remember what it is, week 20 something. So, that's obviously longer to lose 22 pounds than sorry, just a second. Okay, sorry about that. I had a coworker, they left their badge inside. So anyway, yeah, I got breaking news for you. You're human. And even more than that, you're not perfect. I know. I just dropped the bombshell on you, and now you're traumatized for life, right? Yeah, you're human and you're not perfect. So you are going to have times where, you have an unplanned indulgence, That's what me and Transformation and Progress call them, planned indulgence and not planned indulgence. And actually, she's the one that brought that up the first time. So it really works. You know, I like that term. So anyway, you ain't perfect. I ain't perfect. I was mostly perfect on my way down, and it worked. But I sure did do a lot of beating myself up at the time. So don't do it. Be graceful to yourself. Love yourself, because God loves you and I love you. So, okay, anyway, bye. So one of my nurses is a young whippersnapper, and she's got that cute little car. Well, she leaves I was about to say the lid. She leaves the lid off of it a lot. And I'm like, girl. Now this is the difference in the way young people think and old people think. I'm like, girl, what if a bird flies over and poops in there? And she's like, I'll wipe it off. I'm like, ah! I'm like, I'm such an old lady. No, no, no. Anyway, 2 things happened today. One, I was sitting in my office, just doing my thing, working. I sneezed, and I was like, "Doo!" Like, "Doo!" I took off running. I had to go to the bathroom. That was a sneeze, and I wasn't prepared for a sneeze. I had to cross my legs before I sneezed, and then I did, and I'm like, nope, I got to go. So I went in the bathroom. What else? Oh, after we were done talking last, most of the time, where's my keys? Most of the time, I go home, and, no, listen, I'll get my story straight in a second. I gotta find my keys first. I'm a little oh, here it is. Most of the time, what I do is I take a couple bites, and then when we're done talking, I go ahead and pack up and go inside and finish eating, and I work. Well, today, let me tell you what I did different. Today, I was like, it feels so good out here. So I ended up there's another girl outside on her break, and I said, tell me when it's time to go in. So I just turned around, I laid back on that blanket, and I just laid up and soaked in the sun. It's like, wow, that feels kind of good. So yeah, I was like, I'm gonna soak up some sun on my lunchtime. So that's what I did. All right, I love you people. I gotta go. Gotta call my mama. Bye. Okay, we gotta hurry. It's 5:40, and I'm gonna go play with my friends. We're gonna go play pool. I've got 8 ounces of ground beef burger. I might have a big bruise here tomorrow. I forgot what I was trying to pull off. I was trying to separate something earlier in the kitchen, and I whammed myself right here, and I'm bleeding on the inside where my lip punched my tooth. So anyway, we'll see how that looks tomorrow. I might have, since I'm on the blood thinners, I can feel that. Yeah. Let's see if it's not as red as it was. It was like right here. But anyway, ground beef. Chocolate malt. Yes, please. So, yeah, so I'm going to go to the pool hall, and we're going to play some, just practice and do some practice rounds. And so I got to get a move on so I can get there and play. But that's why I know it's been a good day. You know what? You're good people. And I appreciate you people. Sometimes you're a little weird. Me, on the other hand, I'm normal as normal comes. Ain't nothing weird about me. You all, you're the weirdos. Love you. Bye.